Hello and greetings. On this video, I'll show how you set up OpenVPN client for Windows. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So here you can see we have a Windows 8.1. This is actually a fresh copy. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and open our browser. And we are going to search for OpenVPN. OpenVPN. And it should be like the first thing, and here it is. It's openvpn.net. So we'll click on openvpn.net, and then you're going to go over to community on the right. You can click on that, and then you'll see here on the left where it says downloads. Click on downloads, and then all you're going to do is just click on it. Well, obviously we're going to be running Windows, so you're going to click on this one. And I want to save it. Okay, so, and I'm going to go ahead and run it. Now, once you get this warning, go ahead and click on yes if you agree. So like always, you're going to click on next. And then if you agree to the terms and conditions, go ahead and agree. And then just go ahead and click on next. And this is where it's going to install. The default is under Program Files and OpenVPN. Click on Install, and you let it run to it. Now it is going to generate, think of it as like Ethernet or a network card. And here it is. So you're going to click on Install. This is normal. And now you can see the icon kicking in right here on the left. Click on Next. And yeah, I don't want to see the README because it doesn't really matter. Then we're going to do finish. The next thing you're going to do is actually look for the file or certificate that you got from either your vendor or that you created. So my certificate that I actually downloaded, I actually have it here on my download folder. And you can see here it's called Remote 2. So that's a certificate that was generated. So what I'm going to do is before it runs, I'm going to make sure that it's not running. Yeah, it's not running. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to navigate to my C drive. So let me put this up so I can actually put all the settings. So on my C drive, I'm going to go to Program Files. From Program Files, I'm going to go to OpenVPN. Go there. And then you're going to go to under config. Okay, so under config, and I'm going to do there is just paste it. So I'm going to right click to this and paste, and it's going to give you a warning that you need admin permissions. Go ahead and click on continue, and there it is. So now the file is there. Now I can actually close this, and now I can actually double click on OpenVPN, and now you're going to see that it's running right here on the bottom right. So when I right click to this and I click on connect, on my certificate I generate another password. So that's the first thing it's going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password, and I'm going to tell it to save. Well, it's up to you if you want it to save it or not, but from my side I want to save it. It's just for training. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to negotiate. And once it finishes negotiating, it's going to go ahead and go away. And now it's going to turn green. And it also tells me what IP was generated for me. So now at this point, I can actually double check this, because if I go here, ugetSignal.com, that's one of the tools that I use to check if ports are open. So if I go here to what's my IP, you can see the IP ends with 96. Now let me go ahead and minimize this, and then go to my desktop, and now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. So I'm going to right click to this, go to disconnect, And when I actually go back to the browser and I refresh, so I'm gonna go ahead and refresh, you're gonna notice that my IP is gonna change. And now you can see it ends with 51. And so that's, now I'm actually outside on a different network and it's all up and running. So again, all that good jazz, subscribe, thumbs up, and hopefully this video made sense. Thanks a lot.